Simula nang makatapos ako, di na ako nagpahinga. Pasok agad sa trabaho, mas bata, mas maraming pera. Noong una, nakakabili pa ako ng mga gusto ko. Gamit, cellphone, sapatos, bestida. Pero katagalan yung pera ko sa kuryente, tubig at renta na lang napupunta. Don't get me wrong, isang karangalan naman ang makatulong sa pamilya. Pero malibang iniisip ko na tulong lang dapat, wag naman yung fully dependent na sila. Gusto ko din naman silang bigyan ng mas maalwal na buhay bilang ganti sa lahat ng nagawa nila. Pero maliba na naiisip ko, paano naman yung future ko kung wala nang halos natitira? Ako si Daisy, pagod nang kumayod. Lalo na kung naglalaho lang ng parang bula ang pinagpapaguran ko kada sahod. My love, this is a story that a lot of people can relate to. Kasi marami naman ganito ang sistema sa Pilipinas eh. Parang some of the people, as soon as they graduate, may mga iba meron pa silang luxury or meron pa silang liberty to stop for a year and just enjoy yung after school nila before they jump back on life and start their professional life. Pero some people do not have that liberty. So as soon as they graduate, talagang pumapasok na sila sa trabaho. Some people doesn't even make it sa graduation part. Kasi they have to prioritize. Kung kaya na naman na makahanap sila ng trabaho na hindi sila college graduate, they'll do that. Kasi as soon as they can work, as soon as they can help their families. And yun yung priority sa bansa natin. Mind you that this is a third world country. Di tayo first world country. So wala tayong kaliwat kanang health insurance, mga ganyan. Wala tayong sustenance from the government. Everything that we have, everything na necessity sa atin, we must work hard for it. Kapag wala tayong tinatrabaho, syempre, wala tayong mababudget. So, yung consumption dito sa Pilipinas, alam naman nating mahal. Sabi nga, di ba, laging na lang nagiging joke, lahat na lang nagmamahalan, tayo na lang hindi. Kasi totoo, renta, kuryente, tubig, pagkain, pamasahe, lahat yan nagtataasan, my love. So, you have to keep up. So, as soon as you can work na talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Pero sadly, my love, may mga tao na even before they reach 30 years old, pagod na sila, exhausted na sila sa trabaho. Parang, imagine, may mga taong tumatagal up to 60 na nagtatrabaho, bilib na bilib yung iba. Kasi may iba, 30 years old pa lang sila, below 30s pa nga lang, pagod na sila working. Ang dami na nilang reklamo, ang dami na nilang hinaing, ang dami na nilang gustong gawin. Feeling nila burnt out na sila sa working. Kasi may mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Don't get me wrong. 'Di ba? Ang pagbabalik ng biyaya na meron ka ngayon sa family mo is parang a privilege for some. Karangalan. And dito sa kultura natin, inasush lang siya, kumbaga unconsciously. It's kinda a must. Lalong-lalo na if you know that your family needs you. Kaya nga 'di ba laging sinasabi kapag may interview, kapag may tatanungin ka bakit ka nagtatrabaho agad, anong dahilan kung bakit ka kumakain ng ganyan, kadalasan ang sagot is because I want to give my family the best life that I can. Kasi feeling natin yung mga magulang natin have spent an enormous time and have exerted a lot of effort already raising us up and taking us to where we are right now. So it's just but the right to give back. Pero my love, sana po dun sa mga kabisyo natin, and this goes to me as well. When I grow up, if I'll have my own family, I'll bear this in mind as a parent. Na at a certain point, let's not let our kids be exhausted of providing for us. It's a family. You should be working together. Hindi yung highly dependent lang kayo sa isa. That is a smart thing to do kasi when it comes sa family, lalong-lalo na kung large group po kayo of family or extended na kayo kasi may kanya-kanya ng pamilya yung mga magkakapatid. Do not let one person burden everybody. Kasi kung yung taong yun bumigay, kung yung taong yun mahirapan, mapagod, tumigil, lahat kayo mahihirapan or lahat kayo walang mapagkukunan. That is why it's better na nagtutulungan kayo. Yes, pare-pareho kayong nahihirapan. Yes, pare-pareho kayong napapagod. But then again, things will be much easier for everybody. Hindi na siya as heavy as the load na kinukuha ng isa. Do you get me, my love? Please stop being dependent on one person only. If you can carry your own weight, carry your own weight. Marami na din kasing kabisyo na mga breadwinner yung, alam niyo yun, behind na sila sa buhay nila. And ang dami na nilang reklamo because they don't want to say it because that's their family. Pero hindi na nila maitanggi that they are too tired to do anything in their lives. Parang every single thing na ginagawa nila, every single effort na ini-exert nila, no matter how far they've gone in life, they feel like ang daming nawalang mga oras sa kanila kasi all they did since nag-graduate sila is magbanat ng buto. So if we can help those breadwinners, those people na nagpo-provide for us, if we can help them in any way we can, please do. Kasi iisa lang sila, madami silang dinadala sa mga balikat nila and sometimes it's consuming them. It's overwhelming for them. And they need to see their sabihin na natin, loved ones working with them rather than waiting sa biyayang kaya nilang ibigay. Naiintindihan mo ko, my love? Ganun din sa mga parents natin. If we know that our parents are struggling just because kailangan nila tayong mabuhay, that goes the same way sa kanila. If there are things na kaya na nating pag-aanin for them, like as simple as household chores, yung mga bagay na kaya nating gawin para pasayahin sila, pag-aanin yung buhay nila, let's do that for them. Kasi darating kayo sa point, my love, sa edad na you'll know just how hard it is to earn every single centavo sa Pilipinas. Yung sinasabi ng mga tao, ng mga influencer na adulting is hard, it's not just a catchphrase. Hindi lang siya may masabi-sabi lang just to feel relevant. It's true. Everyone na nasa age of working, providing, can attest to that. Adulting is hard. So if you can, in any way you can, help the one that's earning for your family. Yung breadwinner ninyo, yung father ninyo, yung mother ninyo. Make life easier for them. If you can carry your own weight, if you can do something para, alam nyo yun, maalwalan yung gastusin, it's either pagtitipid, or side hustle, small business, do that, my love. Ang pamilyang nagtutulungan financially can go through financial issues faster. Para hindi na exhaust na burn out yung iisang tao lang. Kasi there are so many unspoken words from the breadwinners. Marami silang mga hinanaing na hindi nila kayang sabihin. Because they don't think anyone would ever understand. But one thing is for sure, they are tired. They want to see their future but they cannot. They want to plan ahead para sa sarili nilang buhay but wala silang liberty or luxury to do so kasi marami pa silang responsibilidad. A little appreciation can go a long way but you know what's better than that? Help. That's something na hindi nila sasabihin sa inyo. That's something na hindi nyo maririnig mula sa kanila. But that is something na kailangan nila. help them, my love. Keep them from drowning. Unburden them every once in a while. Prevent them from being overwhelmed by every single responsibility na kailangan nilang gampanan. That's one way of showing them how much you appreciate them. Help them before they call it quits. Claro? Claro.